Quick info before the video. If you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy PURR token on Hyperliquid. First, let's go to app.hyperliquid.xyz. Now let's go to Balances section and send USDC from perps to spot. Type the amount and click Confirm. Confirm in the MetaMask pop-up. Now click on the current trading symbol you have on your platform. Here go to Spot. And let's find PURR trading pair. Now on the right side, let's go with market order on the buy side. Use the slider to choose how much PURR you want to buy. And after you are ready, click on Place Order. And we have successfully bought PURR tokens. Now if you want to transfer them to EVM, click on this button. Here put the amount and click on Confirm. If you want to transfer back from EVM to spot, you just need to change the route. Okay, now if you want to sell PURR, click on the Sell button on the right side panel. Use the slider to decide how much you want to sell, and click on Place Order button. Success! Now if you want USDC back in the perps account, just click on Transfer to perps. Here make sure the route is from spot to perps. Type the amount and after you are ready, click on Confirm. Confirm in the MetaMask pop-up. And that's it. Now you know how to buy or sell PURR tokens on Hyperliquid. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.